Portable blenders are an incredible invention, a quick and simple way to incorporate a lot of nutrients into your diet through smoothies and soups. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best portable blenders in the market to help you find the most suitable one. We make this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the link in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 portable blenders. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Personal Portable Blender. This appliance may not be the most powerful machine available, but it is an excellent choice if it is mainly used to make protein shakes and smoothies with soft fruits. Because of its space-saving design, the low-cost blender is an excellent choice for dorm rooms, kitchens with limited counter space, and even the workplace. The package includes a jar with a flip-top lid that has a capacity of 14 ounces. So even if you're consistently on the move, maintaining a healthy lifestyle has never been more straightforward than it is now. Because the blender does not contain any PBA, you may use it without the slightest concern that any hazardous substances will get into your morning smoothie. Because of its excellent quality and durability, the design made of stainless steel may be used for many years to come. The most exciting part, milkshakes, smoothies, and a variety of other sweets may be made with them. And the price is so low that you should get one up for yourself and a friend during the holidays so you can use it every day. The pros are, it is easy to use. Also, it is easy to carry. It is affordable and has a PBA-free travel jar. The cons are, it is not a powerful or robust blender. Number 4, Ninja QB 3001 SS Personal Blender. This is a fantastic option if you need a robust blender that won't take up too much room in your kitchen or can be quickly packed for travel. It's a bit heavier than some other compact blenders, but its powerful 700-watt engine makes short work of ice cubes, nuts, and frozen fruits and vegetables for your morning smoothie. The kit comes with 2 cups that are 16-ounce respectively and has a carry cover for each of them. Create a smoothie first thing in the morning so you may have a speedy breakfast and meal whenever you like. The pros are, it has easy to clean mugs that can go in the dishwasher. It is PBA free. Also, it features a sharp, durable stainless steel blade for superior mixing performance. It has cups with sprouts that hold 16 ounces. And a strong 700-watt motor with push-button blending. However, the cons are, it's a bit pricey. Number 3, PopBabies Personal Blender. This handy tool can save your life if you're constantly on the go. The USB rechargeable mini blender can be packed and taken with you, allowing you to blend your smoothie or shake wherever the day takes you. When you're at home, leaving the device plugged in will provide a slight boost in power. In addition, the 175-watt appliance features a 14-ounce jar with a secure screw on top and a handle, making it ideal for protein powder smoothies and infant formula. Included at no additional cost are a tiny ice tray and a funnel for the mess-free pouring of powders and liquids. For optimum blending results, please ensure that all fruits are finely chopped. The pros are, it is lightweight and capable of being charged on the fly. It is a safe portable blender. Also, it comes with a 14-ounce jar. It is powerful and versatile. The cons are, it is not possible to combine bigger bits of fruit or ice with this appliance. Number 2, REDMOND Powerful Smoothie Portable Blender. While it may be small, this retro blender packs a serious punch. It includes 2 mixing speeds and a pulse feature, and both are handy extras. The first set is best for blending soft foods like strawberries and bananas, while the second is best for chopped vegetables. A maximum of 300 watts is available in a short burst when using the pulse setting. A maximum of 300 watts is available in a short burst when using the pulse setting. Also, this blender has 20-ounce cups, each with a carry handle and a pour spout. This eliminates the need to continually wash and empty the same container between uses, allowing you to quickly and easily prepare numerous services. And guess what? A bottle brush and ice tray are included as freebies. The pros are, it has easy to clean mugs that can go in the dishwasher. PBA-free food-grade cups. Also, it gives better chopping and mixing using the knive's 6-sided stainless steel blade. The cons are, it requires electronic connection to function. Number 1. BlenderX Cordless Portable Blender. Our top pick is perfect for those who are always on the go and can be using the mixer and serve drinks and smoothies during outdoor events like picnics and camping trips. In addition, we choose it as the best portable blender since it can be used anywhere without access to an electronical socket, making it highly portable. The 260 watts of power and 20-ounce container make this machine superior to other portable blenders. This implies that you can successfully combine cooked vegetables, ice cubes, and little bits of frozen fruit. The BlenderX has a 2-year guarantee against manufacturing flaws and includes a watertight carrying case. So make your smoothie at home, charge your blender, and carry it with you everywhere you go with just a portable lid. The pros are, it is lightweight and capable of being charged on the go. Longer lasting after a single charge, it has food-grade blades. It has a cup made for safe materials suitable for holding food. The 4-sided stainless steel blade enables blending. However, the cons are, only 1 jar is included. Processing anything hot in a blender is not recommended under any circumstances. When the cover is blown off, the evaporating liquids have potential to spray all over the kitchen. To blend lukewarm liquids successfully, you should begin with the blender on its lowest speed and keep its center cap open. Next, cover the hole with a dish towel, or steam can escape, but the liquid stays contained. Up next, things to consider before buying a portable blender. Consider the weight. Checking the total weight of a portable blender is something you should do before making a purchase. Number 2, be sure to check the power supply. When you have a cordless alternative that can be charged by a USB or a USB connector, it's convenient to have both at home and in the workplace. To facilitate maintenance and cleaning, all parts should be readily detachable. If the cups, lids, and knives can all go in the dishwasher, that's a huge plus. Number 3, look at the motor. Not all portable blenders can crush ice and chop tough ingredients like frozen fruit and leafy greens. First, consider what you prefer to mix the most. Then pick a blender that can handle those ingredients. So carefully monitor the motor. Number 4, materials. The plastic used in construction must be made without bisphenol, a BPA. Stainless steel blades will last considerably longer than plastic ones and provide superior blending performance. Therefore, go for a machine with stainless steel blades. Be sure the design is leak-proof. Number 5, noise. You should investigate the level of background noise the device produces. Number 6, quantity and size of blender cups. If you have a morning smoothie, how big is it? Do you prefer to combine everything at once and then divide it up into individual cups? Or do members of your household have very varying tastes? You should shop for a kit that fits your needs. Blending capacity increases with cup size, but large cups are less convenient to carry on the go. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the link in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section, and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.